$1.3 billion is the cost of inefficiency in Egypt's pharmaceutical supply chain every single year. Orders are placed by phone calls and manual Excel sheets. Pharmacists cannot see suppliers' inventory and cannot compare prices, so they always overpay. In the US, 3 companies control over 90% of drug distribution. Everyone plugs into one system. But in a fragmented market, that doesn't work. Supply chains rely on disconnected systems with low resources and manual processes. This leads to unnecessary overheads, frequent shortages, and counterfeits. That's why we founded Cluster, the AI-native infrastructure for pharmaceutical supply chain. And we started with procurement. We are the only player that has managed to integrate all legacy systems used by suppliers and pharmacies by 100% coverage in Egypt. Let me show you how it works. Pharmacies open Cluster and tell our AI what they need by text, voice, or uploading a photo, and our AI searches across hundreds of suppliers' network to provide them with the optimal order and best price. And once the order is confirmed, it flows automatically into the supplier's legacy ERP without any intervention. We are saving them 90% faster order placement, 65% less labor cost, and we take a cut of every transaction. We are now sitting on a growing terabytes of unique transactional data, the only real-time signal of how medicine actually moves in this market. This unlocks the intelligence hub we are about to launch for predictive shortages, demand forecasting, and auto-replenishment. They will stop ordering and Cluster orders for them. This is a new revenue stream where pharma companies, suppliers, and pharmacies will all subscribe to access it. And of course, the market for this is huge. We are talking about $200 billion pharmaceutical market across Latam, Middle East, and Africa. We are focusing on Egypt's $7 billion market and to capture 40% of the local market by 2028. Our competitors are asset-heavy, building warehouses, logistics, and financing operations, while we scale through an asset-light infrastructure, connecting all stakeholders through our platform. And this allows us to operate at less than 1/5 of their cost structure, while even delivering stronger unit economics. I am Mustafa Al-Awami, founder and CEO of Cluster. I have spent my career across the pharmaceutical value chain, from running my own pharmacy to commercial roles in Bayer and Novartis. My co-founder and CTO, Mahmoud, he built enterprise-level systems for organizations, including the Biport World, which handles over 10% of the global containers across 5 continents. Together, we developed and scaled a software company to more than $500,000 in revenue. And we are supported by global experts from the Egyptian Drug Authority and track and trace experts who ensure that we stay ahead of the curve. In less than 2 years, we have built a network of more than 2,000 pharmacies connected to over 120 suppliers, and we automated more than 300,000 orders with 85% retention, and we spent $0 in marketing, and we are generating over $700,000 in monthly GMV, growing 12% month over month, and our monthly GMV is $10,000.